right, let's open this box. Yes, sir. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. There's the packaging. Oh my goodness. Wow. I mean, wow. Look at the craftsmanship on this. Let's take it right out of the box. Wow. I mean, wow. Did I say wow, ladies and gentlemen? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's walk through this unboxing. Let's speed this up real quick. You know, don't need no hassle and long time to get rid of the package. Okay. Bam. And that is how she looks when you open the box. This is the T Pob hair trimmer. Comes with interchangeable cases. I mean, just look at the packaging, man. This thing looks amazing. Yeah, there she is in full effect. Take off the guard. There's the T Pob Psycho Blade. It comes already oiled and lubricated. I mean, wow. I'm just mind blown, man. There it is. Feels good in the hand. You know, let's take off this plastic that's in the way. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Let's turn the motor. This is what she sounds like. Some hand movement gestures, you know, with it on. You can hear that real quick. There it is. There's the LED indicator that it's on. Let's turn that off. There is the port for the charger, so you can plug it in. Underneath the black case is the wire, the connecting charger that goes with it. This is the interchangeable part. Just like that. All you would do is remove the screws, put on the next color that you choose. Let's move the pink one real quick. Let's see what's under there. I could change to the pink too. I think to be honest, I think I'm really gonna put the pink case on. I'm being honest with you. Just pop so much. There's the screws. There's the cleaning brush for the hairs. There's the screwdriver to get the screws out. Located right there. Put the pink case on. Basically self-explanatory, you know? Already oiled, shine, looks good, feels good, man. I mean, I'm just mind blown, man. Let's get this girl back on and keep her safe. See if this. Nope. That is not supposed to come out at all. This was intended to be the way it is and be left the way it is. And there's the review. You know, back of the box, quick instructions, quick description. You know, quick back of the box. All right. Very beautiful, very thought out, very well packaged and detailed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and thank you all for tuning in. God bless.